In this video, I simply want to show you how to perform a print head cleaning on your Epson EcoTank ET-2980. So once you see lines appearing on the results that you're printing, white lines, it means that you need a print head cleaning. Press the home button, go with the right side arrow over here, press it a few times on the main menu until you get to maintenance. Here I go, maintenance. Now press OK. And we're going to have two different options. If we press the down arrow, you will be able to select head cleaning. This is a typical print head cleaning. It will use a bit of your ink. Every time you do a print head cleaning, it wastes a bit of an ink, a bit of all the ink tanks. So this is just something to keep in mind. And fortunately, after you press, OK, and OK again, it will begin. Now, if your problem is more important, instead of selecting head cleaning, you can select the second option, which is power ink flushing. In that case, this is a print head cleaning as well, but it will use even more ink. It will waste more ink. And this is mostly when the problem is pretty bad. So do not start by using power ink flushing. Start by using head cleaning. And if you see a slight improvement, well, redo a head cleaning or then go with the power ink flushing if you're having issues unclogging your printer. But overall, this is it. This is how you get it done. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.